Well, so let me start by saying that this carbon dating or scientific investigation verdict was supposed to come out last Friday, but District Judge A.K. Vishwesh asked for more clarifications from the lawyers of the Hindu petitioners who want the scientific investigation on the purported shivling that was found inside the Gyanvapi Mosque complex earlier this year. So, what the court had wanted to know last Friday was whether this entire investigation demand can be part of the case or not. That was the main query. So the Hindu petitioners or the lawyers for the Hindu women petitioners have responded by saying that it is very much a part of this case because they claim that this is a shivling as opposed to the mosque committee's claim that this is a fountain. And they say that because it was earlier hidden, and when that videographic survey of the mosque complex was done earlier this year, the shivling became apparent or visible, and that's why it is part of this case. The lawyers for the mosque committee have contended in court that this is a fountain, it's not a shivling, and that when the case of the women petitioners is for year long access to a shrine inside the mosque complex, bringing in this shivling or any kind of scientific investigation demand, etc., will tantamount to actually tinkering with the character of the place of worship, which is something that is not allowed under law. So these were the main contentions over this demand, and today the Varanasi district judge is expected to announce his decision on whether a scientific investigation on that purported shivling will be ordered or not. Just a brief recap of the case for our viewers. So last year in 2021, 5 Hindu women had approached the court asking for year-long access to the shrine of Ma Shringar Gauri, which is located inside the Gyanvapi Mosque complex in Varanasi. The Gyanvapi Mosque itself is located right next to the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Now, earlier this year, a lower court in Varanasi ordered a videographic survey of the mosque based on this petition. That survey report leaked to the media purportedly or says that a purported shivling was found inside the pond used for Vazu rituals inside the mosque complex. That area was then sealed. The case went up to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court transferred the case to the court of Varanasi's senior most judge, who in September ruled that the case by the Hindu women petitioners has legal standing and will go ahead. So all that's happening is part of this main case now.